Hello and welcome to another back in stock video. This is Simon here from Andover Norton, and as always I've been rummaging around in the warehouse looking to see what I can find. Oh, I didn't know that one was back in stock. And yeah, we're going to have a look and see what's back in stock for your Norton bikes this week. So part number one, part number 131762, the pressure release valve assembly kit, £28.74 including VAT, and that's available now. Then 131747, the silencer mounting bracket set for the Commando, reverse cone. There's 6 items in this pack and they're all chrome plated. That's £35.94 including VAT. Pair of handlebar grips, that's part number 067093, is £19.70 including VAT. And finally this week, a centre stand kit, part number 064874, is £139.14 including VAT. And as always, if there's an item that you want that we don't have in stock, you can set yourself a little reminder through the Andover Norton website. It's super simple, and if you're not sure how to do it, there's a video that will take you through the whole process in the section below, or you can just get in touch with the team on the technical email. But as always, thanks ever so much for watching, like I say, and safe riding, and I will see you next time.